Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to complete identity verification on TikTok. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to complete identity verification on TikTok, especially if you're setting up for monetization like Creator Fund, TikTok Shop or live gifts, you'll need to provide valid documentation and go through the in-app process. So if you simply tap open TikTok, you can go to your own profile. So once you're here, simply tap on the three hamburger like icon on the top right hand side of the corner and tap on settings and privacy. Once you're here, you need to tap on accounts. So once you're in the account section, if your account is monetized, you will find an option called identity verification. Simply tap on it and simply follow the on-screen prompts. Like you need to choose document type, submit the document and wait for confirmation. After doing this, your identity verification on TikTok will be completed. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.